What are you doing, Mohammed Mustafa Ahmad? Do salam. Say assalamu. Say assalamu. Say assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Say beta. What are you playing with? What is there in your hand? Bulldozer. Where is bulldozer? Show me bulldozer. Yes, very good. And where's the excavator? Where's the excavator? Very good. And where's Granny the crane? Very good. And where's the road roller? What does the road roller does? It rolls on the road to smoothen the surface. Very good, mashallah. Yes, bulldozer digs the soil. Very good. And these are what? Construction vehicles. And what is that in your brother's hand? What is that is called? Auto rickshaw. Very good. What's the color of the auto rickshaw? Yellow and black. And it's a public transport, right? What it is? Public transport.
Coming out.
And what does Granny the crane does? It lifts the heavy equipments. Very good, mashallah. It lifts the heavy equipments like? Yes, like the slabs of the concrete. What is concrete tiles, big stones, slabs, big slabs it pickups, no? Big concrete slabs. And that is called what? I'm an excavator. Where is an excavator? I'm an excavator. I'm an excavator. I'm an excavator. I'm an excavator. Do salam. Assalamu alaikum. Say nicely, say bete. Abba Janji is watching you. Say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Peace. Inshallah ta'ala. Amin. Summa amin. Yes. Say Ifrapa. Look up. See Ifrapa will watch you. Say Ifrapa. Yes. Say Ifrapa. And Laiba apa? Say Ifrapa.